Hey, I'm MindieKniss. This is the Daily Rage. Let's talk about the bonds and notes today because, as you can see on this daily chart over here, there was some pretty good movement. This one is the 10-year note, and it is heading toward the top of the cloud. That would be your next target, around 109.30-ish. But what looks even better is the 30-year bond. This one is just peeking its head out of the top of the cloud. Now, depending on how conservative or aggressive you are, some people like to wait until there's actually a close above the cloud. Now, that might happen today. We have about 13 more minutes in the futures market, so we'll see. But others who are more aggressive say, hey, that's good enough for me. It peeked its head out of the top of the cloud and let's go long. Now, one more thing that we have working in our favor in terms of the long side on this is this. The parabolic SAR dot did just flip today, indicating a stop and reverse from this downward trajectory to back up. Now, let's talk about the range today. Just for context, 1 point in this one, the US, is $1,000. And take a look at the Ultra Bond. Now, this one still has a little more work to do in terms of hitting that parabolic SAR and then reaching the top of the cloud. But its range today was almost 2.5 points, nearly. So that would be almost $2,500, which that's on one single contract. So these things can be very, very, very powerful. If you don't have the account size to do that, or maybe the courage to take one of these trades, you can always trade the 10-year on a micro scale. That would be the micro 10-year yield. The only thing to note is that it's going to be the opposite of this. So when this 10-year note is going up, the yield is dropping. So in other words, when we would want to go long on a bond or a note, we would want to short the micro contracts. I'm MindieKniss. Thanks so much for watching.